Old age is inevitable. It's a part and parcel of living. Today you are young and full of life, but tomorrow you might be old and wise. While 1 out of 10 senior citizens in the world live in India, the requirement of old age homes is going to increase. Let's adhere to aged individuals who helped build the world we live in today.
27 years old हूँ। यहाँ पर आने का मेन कि मेरे बेटे को यहाँ से जाना पड़ा दुबई, पूरा फैमिली के साथ दुबई गया। तो मुझे बोले पापा आप क्या करोगे? हम बोला मेरे 2 भाई हैं मगर मुझे किसी के यहाँ रहना नहीं, पहले से सेल्फ डिपेंड हूँ और सेल्फ डिपेंड रहना है। तो मेरे बाजू में एक यहाँ पालघर के भाई साहब रहते थे, उनके साथ एक बार आया मैं। इधर आने से पहले 3-4 आश्रम में और एक दिन रह के आया, मगर वहाँ जाके मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये आश्रम नहीं होगा, अनाथ आश्रम है। और यहाँ आके ऐसा लगा कि सही में आश्रम है, वृद्धाश्रम में। सबके चेहरे पे हंसी खुशी, इधर का एटमोस्फियर, इको फ्रेंडली वातावरण। तो तुरंत मैंने बहन से बात किया कि मैं तारीख से आ जाऊँगा।
जीव हळूहळू गुंतत जातो, सर्व आपलेसे वाटते। जिथे आपुलकीच्या 4 शब्दांनी, जिथे आपुलकीच्या 4 शब्दांनी दुःख मिटते कायम, दुःख मिटते कायम, तिथेच आहे आमचे आनंद वृद्धाश्रम.
Anand Vruddhashram is an old age home situated in Palghar. It literally means happiness, set up with the philosophy of giving joy to elderly people. Elders feel at home and well taken care of here with full-time medical facilities, nutritional diet, 24/7 helping aides, and separate twin sharing rooms for paid and non-paid members. It's an old age home with a difference.
इथे जे राहायला आलो त्यावेळेला वृद्धाश्रम म्हटलं म्हणजे आपल्याला एक प्रकारचे भीती वाटते की आपल्या माणसांपासून आपण लांब राहतो. पण हा वृद्धाश्रम म्हणजे हे विश्वाची माझी घरं त्याच्याहूनही सुंदर आमचे घरं असं आता मला इथे आल्यावर वाटायला लागले.
Old age is not a curse, it is a blessing. Once now you are retired, you live for yourself. No matter whether children, whatever they behaved with you, whatever, just forget that past. We have kept a condition here, forget your past and just enjoy present tense. Don't think even about future because Almighty is there to take care. Just live your present tense. And they do the same way as we say, we celebrate all festivals. We celebrate all festivals, all birthdays. Most of them, they don't know when was their birthday. We celebrate on Valentine's Day. Nowhere they should feel that we are left out. They have to enjoy every moment. Each one should be given importance. At home they are not given importance. Once you are old, sit in one corner. Don't demand anything. And I don't want this. I fulfill all their wishes. Whatever they want to eat, wherever they want to go, let them do whatever they want.
Just like a banyan tree, this ashram has grown and today accommodates around 30 inmates, most of them not financially strong and the rest with nothing at all.
मेरा लड़के को पैरालिसिस हो गया, बाद में मैं इधर आई और वो भी काम तो नहीं कर सकेगा ना, पैरालिसिस है. और एक ही दूसरा लड़का है, इसको आर्थिक मुश्किल है और ज़्यादा बहुत बड़ा कुटुंब नहीं है, कोई है ही नहीं सगा में कि कोई मदद करे. इसलिए मैं इसको लेके इधर आई.
त्याच्यामुळे मग मी एकटाच होतो की मला मुलगा नाही, मुलगी नाही. मी 1965 च्या पाकिस्तान आणि इंडियाच्या वॉरमध्ये होतो. त्याच्यामुळे माझी मुलगी ऑफ झाली, मला काही कळलंच नाही. एमर्जन्सी ड्युटी होती आणि मी आता एकटाच पडलो, मला दोन्ही डोळ्याने दिसत नाही. ऑपरेशन केलं. मिसेसला म्हणजे डायबिटीस होता. डायबिटीसमुळे ती तब्येत एवढी खराब झाली की संपूर्ण मी जमा केलेला पैसा तिच्या डायबिटीसमुळे खर्च झाला आणि माझी 2-3 डोळ्याची ऑपरेशन झाली. आणि पूर्वी आम्हाला पगार होता तो एवढा कमी होता की त्यावेळेला DA कमी होता आणि आता जो DA आहे तो एवढा की पूर्वीचा जो आमचा प्रॉव्हिडंट फंड होता तो आत्ता आम्हाला मिळतोय, तो प्रॉव्हिडंट फंड आत्ता आम्हाला काही कामाला येत नाही.
The ashram comprises many inmates with various backgrounds living together in harmony and have decided to forgive and forget their past life.
This was a dream, you know. My husband and myself saw this dream once in 2005 that we should start old age home. We were almost retired and we wanted to do something for these senior citizens who really need our care and love. And the senior citizens are my weak point. I just love them like small children. I want them to be happy and do something for them.
Financially, we were not at all strong. We needed amount for registration also. And then we asked few of our friends, few donors who had faith in us. They came ahead. We registered this Anand Vruddhashram Seva Trust because we wanted these people to, be anandi, like be happy.
You feel happy to do something for others. थोड़ा तो दूसरे के लिए जीना सीखे आदमी, अपने लिए तो सब जीते.
We just sowed the seed in 2005 and today it is a big banyan tree. All the senior citizens taking shelter under this. And you feel so satisfied, you know. I always feel that this is their second life.
होने के बाद अपने साथ कोई बात करने को किसको टाइम नहीं होता है. सब आजकल का लाइफ में बिजी रहता है. तो इधर हमारे उम्र के लोग रहते.
वय झालं म्हणजे अनेक अडचणी असतात. आता मला नीटसं दिसत नाही, नीटसं ऐकू येत नाही. घरी एवढं कोणी सहन करेलच ना. असं आयुष्य घालवण्यापेक्षा इथे मी आलो तेवढ्याकरता. ही माझी रूम स्वतंत्र आहे, इथे सगळ्या सोयी आहेत, म्हणून मी इथे राहतो.
દિવસ દિવસ રાત હું રડીતી કે હાય વૃદ્ધાશ્રમ કેવું હશે ને કેવું નહીં, મન નથી જવું. તો રડી તો ક્યાં સુધી, ટ્રેનમાં બધા મારી સામે જોતા હતા કે હું કેમ રડું છું. એટલી હું રડતી હતી ને ગેટમાં આવી ત્યાં સુધી હું રડતી હતી, પણ ગેટની અંદર પગ દીધો રડવાનું મારું ગાયબ થઈ ગયું.
And this couple started staying with us and now they are so happy. The wife got a paralytic attack also, but we took personal care. When I say I appeal to people, this is the reason why all have to come forward. Just come ahead. There are so many parents need you. Please come ahead and let them live happily.
As we get older, the major battle we face is deteriorating health. The ashram takes special care of all the inmates with constant medical camps, physiotherapy, acupressure, and also an on-call doctor. They have regular yoga sessions and also an open-air gym to make them fit.
Medical facilities, we have OPD every Saturday from Downey Hospital. Every second Saturday we have medical camp of Helpage India, who is our pillar at this stage. We have acupressure, we have physiotherapy unit. 6 days a week they are given all the treatments. Sunday is off for them. But these facilities really help them out. Physiotherapy has cured our, I would say, almost 90% paralytic patient has been cured in 1 year just because of physiotherapy. They need love and care and proper medical treatment. And thanks to all doctors in and around Palghar, they are at one call away.
फिरायला जातो, फिरायला जातो, खूप मजा करतो.
शिर्डीला पण आम्ही जाऊन आलो, महालक्ष्मीला जाऊन आलो, केळवाला जाऊन आलो. आता जडाला बाबाच्या इकडे जायचे.
They had fun. They were very happy. Those who could not walk, our caretakers lifted them and took them for darshan.
Motive was to keep them happy here. But you cannot deny the reality of life. I just want that their end should be peaceful. They should die peacefully here. This is our bonding. Each one feels that now she's just for few hours. And as soon as she is no more, myself and my attendant, Teja, we too give them a good bath. We give them new clothes. Tell everyone to sit beside them and we do the royal funeral. They should not feel that we were alone here. There is no one. Our children are. Maybe children would not take care. That utmost care is taken here. The last rituals are also done by me. Generally we say ladies don't go to the graveyard, but I do go with them because I know that I am their son, daughter, whatever.
सकाळी चहा देणं आणि दुपारी लंच सगळ्या गोष्टी आवडल्यानंतर मी ते माझं दुःख विसरून गेलो, संपूर्ण दुःख विसरून गेलो.
As you grow older, our senses start to deplete. Eyes give up and ears too. But a walking stick and love are all we have. Just like many others, these inmates also need your support. Most have neither a walking stick nor the love. Let's come together and help them. A mere donation from you might change their lives forever. Let's change their present and shower our love.
आमचा हा जो रिव्ह्यू बघितल्यानंतर की खरोखर या माणसांकरता आम्ही काय करू शकतो, आम्हाला काय करता येईल याचा विचार करून त्याप्रमाणे त्यांनी पॉझिटिव्हली जर आम्हाला मदत केली. मदत असं मी म्हणणार नाही, कारण मदत केली म्हणजे मदत कशी एकाला गरजू माणसाला मदत केल्यासारखं होतं. आम्हाला मदत नको आहे, आम्हाला तुमची सहानुभूती पाहिजे, तुमचा विश्वास पाहिजे आणि तुमचं प्रेम पाहिजे. बाकी आम्हाला काही नको.
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा